Hey everyone, it's Spellbinders time. Oh, let's see what we get this month. I don't even think I saw any sneaks. So, let's see. Oh, I love this new packaging. I really, really do. So fun. Okay, so let's go with the glimmer. The glimmer is, oh, I think these are called tulips, right? I'm not a flower girl. I know hydrangeas because that's my favorite, and I know roses. What else is there? Carnations. Oh, look at how beautiful this one is, you guys. Look at that, is gorgeous. Wow. Let's see if we can open it, because this one's really neat to see this one. What's it called? This one is magenta. Ooh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Nice. Nice, nice. So you always get these two things. So I get the whole kit and caboodle, and it's $119, I think it is. So you get the clear stamp and die of the month, die set and stamp. Oh my gosh, look at how adorable that is. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love this one so much. Oh my gosh, the bunny is just so cute. Yeah, that's awesome. Look at, oh goodness. Yeah, super cute. Oh, I love it. Love that one. Okay, and then we get the new Stitch die of the month, and it's a pocket. Beautiful, and that's what it looks like. So you get a pocket full of flowers. And the small die of the month, and that is what that one looks like. Very pretty. Wow. And you get the large die of the month. That is super pretty too. Oh wow. I love it. Nice. Look at all this stuff you get, you guys. It's amazing. And we get the 3D embossing folder. Spring Burst. Spring Burst. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Look at that. Awesome. And the embossing folder, regular one. This one is Hydrangea Blooms. Oh, wow. That is so pretty. Wow. Then last we have the card kit of the month, and look at how it comes packaged. I love it. I love it, love it. So nice. Okay, open that little thingy. And I'm sure, yeah, see these, all you have to do is pull it up. You can get Goo Gone and stuff and then get this off, but if you wanted to repackage this, you totally could. So you get the standard strip tape and 3D pop dots, and the envelopes and card bases. You should get 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think you get 8. Yeah, 8. So you get 8 bases now. And the cardstock no longer is an 8.5 by 11. Now it comes in the card base size. So this is 4.5 or 5.5 by 4.25. And you get 4, I think. So they cut them down for you into the 4. So this is one 8.5 by 11 cut down to 4. So you got minty, and then the yellow, baby pink, baby blue, and navy. I guess we don't get the gold anymore. So they may, do we get the gold? I guess not. That's okay. I have plenty of gold. I love that. I love their stickers. Their stickers are amazing. And then we get, look at how pretty these are. These are like a minty, very nice sequins mix. Yeah, let's take out the rest of them. And we get, I know we saw this. So this is the Spring Delight. So you don't, like I said, you don't, I don't think you get the, you don't get a die set anymore, which is perfectly fine. Oh, I love this. And you get stickers, or you get multi-stickers. Look at all of these stickers you get, you guys. That is awesome. You get four sheets of stickers. Oh, look at the tag. Oh, I love that. Nice. 4 things of stickers. And then you get the 6x6 paper pad. I think you get 1 sheet of each. It looks like it, which is perfect. I love this whole new setup they've done. They revamped it, and I love it. I mean, you get all of this, you guys, for $119, and that includes the shipping. So I just love that. I mean, so many dies. I mean, those dies alone for the large ones are like $40. So this one's nice. I like that one. Super fun. Okay, yeah, 1 of each. I love it. And then you get the whole all of these, which I'll just push it down. Hi everyone. Okay, so my camera went dead, so I took the opportunity to lay it all out. This actually helps me too, because I end up putting these things in for my, this is in my Project Life room, so my main craft room, and I divide everything by like flowers, animals, and then the rest of it. So that is how I do this. So it actually works out fine for me to do it like this. So I might end up doing this for us in the future, because this, I mean, it was simple, like basically pause and then lay it all out. So I think I might. What do you guys think? Do you like it better this way? It didn't take me any time. Like I said, I got to do it anyways, so it actually worked out just fine. The rest of these are all like butterflies, and the cute little butterflies. So you have 2 different sizes of butterflies. You have, let's see, you have a little bit of a larger one and then a smaller one. So those are cute. So you get 2 of each of those also, and then a lot of different size flowers, but this is like the main group of it. But anyways, we'll see you all next month, which will be pretty soon. All right guys, take care. Bye. I wanted to mention that it's cool that this, and like I said, everything is $119. So you get that, and let me just lay it all out for you guys again, because it's just amazing how the value of this is just so great. So I didn't put it away because I thought, well, let me show you guys again how cool this is. You get these 4 sheets paper. I mean, you get all of this and then this. So all of that for $119, you guys. You can't beat it. I think it's a great deal. All right, guys. We'll see y'all next month. Bye.